Hello, this is the Wraith, and I just bought this sweet Allen wrench set because I'm about to put on my bar ends. These bar ends are made by MC Motorsports. I have these bar end adapters that are going to go on first. They take a 10mm Allen wrench. Then we have this hex adapter here. Here's your bar end. The hex adapter is going to fit right on the end there, and then you'll be able to use your 6mm Allen wrench. Let's see if we can figure this thing out. Here's my 10, my 8, and my 6mm. You'll be using the 8mm to get off the factory bar end that came on your FZ-07. Okay, so here's the factory bar end. I don't know if you can tell, but it's already been scuffed up a bit. So I'm going to take my 1/8" Allen wrench here. Here you have your factory bar end, and here's your bar end adapter. Pretty easy to figure out. This actually switches though to a 10mm. So get your 10mm wrench here and go ahead and put in your adapter. Be sure to tighten it up. Alright, so we're going to get our new bar end here. You can see this. And then in the end, I'm going to put in your adapter to fit your 6mm wrench, and then you crack that off. You unscrew this tip here. Once you get this undone, now you want to switch down to a 5mm Allen wrench. These pieces come out of the end. Set them to the side. Take this little piece that came off the end. Make sure the little nipple side sticks up here. And it's going to fit inside. It's going to fit down in flush. Right here. Alright. Grab your bar end. You want to go ahead and slide that on. And tighten it up with your 5mm Allen wrench. I would suggest putting some medium strength Loctite on the threads, just in case this thing wants to back out. But if you tighten it pretty good, you should be okay. Now it's time to put the cap on. You take your 6mm adapter. Once you get your cap on, go ahead and tighten it up good. Remember, you don't have to tighten this really hard. Chances are you're going to scuff this up at some point, and then you just be able to pop this cap back off and get a replacement. Make sure there's enough clearance here so that your throttle snaps back, doesn't catch. You should have a little bit of play. And now, do the same thing to the other side. This is the Wraith. Ride safe.